Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the latest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Total Chef Portable Blender. Whether you're looking to mix up a quick smoothie in the morning, crush some ice for a refreshing drink, or enjoy a protein shake at the gym, this cordless mini blender promises to deliver a seamless blending experience anytime, anywhere. But how well does it actually perform in real-world use? Let's find out. The Total Chef Portable Blender is designed for those on the go, offering a compact, rechargeable solution for blending smoothies, shakes, and more. Its 20-aughts BPA-free bottle not only holds your ingredients, but also doubles as a drinking cup, making it a convenient all-in-one device. This blender can handle frozen fruits, ice, and even tough ingredients like whey protein powder, making it versatile for a range of drinks, from smoothies to milkshakes to protein shakes. And with a cordless, USB rechargeable design, you can easily take this portable blender with you on your travels, whether it's to the gym, on a camping trip, or just to mix up your morning shake at home. It's dishwasher safe and features detachable parts, making cleaning a breeze, even for the busiest of users. When it comes to real-world testing, I gave this blender a shot in several different scenarios. First, I used it to blend some frozen fruit and ice for a smoothie. It powered through the ingredients with ease, giving me a smooth, creamy texture without any chunks. The motor runs fairly quietly, which is a nice touch, especially when compared to other portable blenders that can be noisy. For a more challenging test, I made a protein shake with thick whey protein powder. Once again, the Total Chef blender handled it perfectly, with no clumping or struggle from the motor. The fact that it's rechargeable via USB is incredibly convenient, no need for batteries, and you can juice it up with your laptop, power bank, or car charger if you're traveling. Cleaning it was a snap. The detachable parts came apart easily, and I was able to quickly rinse it or toss it in the dishwasher for a deep clean. As for the pros of the Total Chef Portable Blender, its portability is easily one of the standout features. The fact that it's wireless and rechargeable makes it ideal for people who are constantly on the move. Whether you're working out at the gym or camping in the wilderness, this blender gives you the freedom to blend wherever you are. Its performance is also solid, effortlessly blending a variety of ingredients from ice to frozen fruit to protein powder. The 20-aught size is perfect for single servings, and the BPA-free design is a bonus for health-conscious consumers. On the flip side, the blender's motor, while powerful for most ingredients, might struggle with exceptionally tough ingredients like large chunks of hard vegetables or fibrous greens. The 20-aughts capacity might also feel a bit limiting if you're someone who enjoys making larger portions. And while it's easy to clean, the bottle's compact design means you'll need to rinse out the base thoroughly to avoid any leftover residue. Now, when it comes to value for money, the Total Chef Portable Blender offers solid performance. But is it a good deal? For the price point, you're getting a portable, rechargeable, and durable blender that can handle a variety of tasks. Competitors like the BlendJet 2 offer similar features, but at a slightly higher price. However, what sets the Total Chef apart is its excellent balance of price and performance, making it a great option for those looking for a more affordable but still reliable personal blender. If you're someone who prioritizes portability and ease of use, this could be a fantastic choice. In comparison with other portable blenders on the market, the Total Chef stands out for its ease of use and simplicity. The included 1-year warranty and responsive customer support are additional perks, especially when you compare it to other budget options that may not offer as much after-purchase support. Competitors like the NutriBullet Go are similarly compact but can be pricier and may not always come with as many helpful features like the Total Chef's built-in bottle for drinking. The build quality of the Total Chef Portable Blender feels durable, especially considering its compact size. The materials are robust enough to withstand regular use, and the fact that it's dishwasher safe adds to its overall convenience. As for longevity, while we don't have long-term data just yet, Total Chef is known for making dependable kitchen appliances, and the rechargeable battery and motor seem sturdy enough to handle frequent use without issue. When it comes to customer support, Total Chef offers a 1-year warranty, and from my interactions with the company, their response time is swift and helpful. The warranty coverage provides peace of mind for those who may have concerns about the product's longevity, but based on early testing, there's no reason to believe that reliability will be an issue. If you're considering purchasing the Total Chef portable blender, here's a quick summary. This product is a compact, powerful blender that delivers solid performance for a variety of drinks. It's easy to use, simple to clean, and offers excellent portability, making it perfect for those on the go. However, it may not be the best option for larger families or those who need to blend larger portions. It also struggles a bit with harder, fibrous ingredients, but for everyday smoothies and shakes, it's more than up to the task. If you're looking for a portable blender that's easy to take with you, reliable, and affordable, the Total Chef Portable Blender might just be what you need. It strikes a great balance between price, performance, and portability, making it a worthy contender in the world of mini blenders. For those who need something more powerful or larger in size, you might want to consider some of the higher-end options. But for a personal blender that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. Have you used the Total Chef Portable Blender? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you've got any questions or want more details, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep blending and stay healthy.